in this Sunday vlogging, we are going to learn what is link cloaking, how to cloak affiliate links, and benefits of cloaking. Affiliate link cloaking is a process of shortening and makes appealing of ugly looking links. It helps in affiliate marketing because normally the affiliate links will be ugly looking. Hence, the visitor may think it as a phishing URL. To increase the click-through rate, it is a best practice to cloak affiliate links. It is not only for affiliate links, whereas you can use it for social media account URLs. For example, my Facebook page URL is https://lifemasterypartners. I cloak this link and generator using my URL, and it looks more authoritative as the URL has my domain name. For example, if you can see this one, my Facebook page, when I enter this, it goes to my Facebook page. So this is the beauty of link cloaking. Here are a few examples of ClickBank affiliate hop links. If you use this link to promote affiliate products, the visitor may think of it as phishing. It will affect your conversion. So that's why many bloggers and affiliate marketers use link cloaking. First, will we click on such links? No, right? So how can we expect others to click on it? Okay, now you can ask me how to cloak links. We can do it using a WordPress plugin called Pretty Link. It comes with a pro option as well. For cloaking, the free light version is more than enough. Now we are going to install Pretty Link plugin. Go to WordPress dashboard and then plugins, add new, search for Pretty Link. So this is the Pretty Link plugin. Install and activate it. I already installed. It is showing active. It also has a tracking feature which helps us to know how many visitors clicked our link and how many of them are unique. Now let me show you how to cloak our links with Pretty Link. Pretty Link uses a redirect mechanism in cloaking. Click Pretty Links from your WordPress dashboard. Okay, the steps to cloak a link is: first, you can see a button with the name of Add Link. Click on it. Give a title name. Let's say, for example, I have a ClickBank affiliate hop link. I'm going to paste it in target URL. So this is for ClickBank University program. So I'm going to give a title, the CB University affiliate link, and the target URL I already pasted. So now we need to give the select for our Pretty Link, which means that already has our domain name. So I'm going to give CB University. Once we do this, click on update and then publish. Now we successfully cloak the affiliate link. In this Petty dashboard, you can see under this clicks tab the number of clicks and the number of unique clicks. It is really helpful to know how our affiliate link works. You can see more options by going to Petty Link options. Here, there are options which are available only for Pro version. We no need to bother about it. So we can see enable tracking and enable no follow. So enable tracking and these enable no follow, by default it will be checked. Enable tracking helps us to show the statistics of our affiliate links, such as the number of clicks and unique clicks. Just now we saw this, right? Same thing. Whereas enable no follow option, this one, tells the search engine not to index and rank the outbound link. There are few other plugins that are also available for affiliate link cloaking. This is the one I am using, and I recommend the same. Benefits of cloaking affiliate links or it increases click-through rate and it makes affiliate links more appealing, gives more authority to your domain as we create links using our domain URL, provide stats about clicks and increases conversion, which helps to close more sales.